Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my final year project, that is Employee Management System, which is a software application, and in this I used a Java Swing concept. The IDE which I used is Netbeans and connected with the DB, that is Apache Network Server, to communicate with the database. And the database which I used is MySQL, in which the language I used is SQL query language. And in this project, I used a language that is Java. Okay. Before moving ahead in this project, I just wanted to tell you about why I choose this project and why it is important to have this software in every organization. The first point is that it reduces the pen and paper work. If we don't need to create, store a physical file of employee details of every employee details, because in very large organization there are thousands of people, so it's very difficult for us to maintain a pen paper file to all employees. And it is also a less secure if we maintain a pen paper file. There is chances of losing that paper. So uh, that's why employee management system is more important, and it is more secure because admin can only access their rights by using their password and the username, and employee can access their own own module. Okay, if I talk about its objective, as I already told us, that it help us to maintain and detail of all the employees who is new joining, and add the new employee, update the details of an employee, and suppose in case if any employees is resigning from the organization and you want to delete an employee, you can delete the details of an employee. Like this, these all part of the admin modules. Basically, the structure of my project is that in this project I created a two modules, that is employee modules and the admin modules. I told you that admin can perform some details like payroll section and the employee section. In employee section they can add, delete, update, and the see a whole list of all the employees. And employees report generate, they can generate an employees report also. And employee have only rights like they are applying for attendance, they can see their and download their pay slips. Like this, they can perform their own functions. And the in this project, basically it's easy for the employee to mark the attendance, and then calculate salary, help in maintaining the computerized all the details of the employee. So this is all done by the employee management system software. Okay, now let me show the demo of my project. This is the coding section, and like this login page are there. Let me open the software. This is loading page of my software, and this is login page. Before moving ahead of this software, you need a username and a password to enter the software. Select role, like you can a admin, or either a admin, or you can be a employee. So you can select your role. Like I select the admin, so I use a dummy password and a username. Admin login successfully. Now I move to my section, like admin module section. Like you can see that Vijay, Vijay admin. You can see that. Like in employee section, you can add a new employee by adding a details. Like I add employee ID 2 and you can choose the departments. Like if I select the IT departments, then the designation on the basis of the IT departments, like I in this choose I software engineer, its contact number, active, then address of the employee and its basic salary. Employee details stored successfully. Now check in the database that employee detail of Harshit is added successfully or not. You can check at the back end. Yeah, you can see that Harshit detail is added on the database. In this way, you can perform different operation like delete the employees details. One second. In this way, you can perform like delete operation, update employee reports. You can generate employee reports. Like I want to generate an employee reports for the Harshit. Its employee performance, like its job knowledge and its work quality. You can perform different operations. And just you want to click on the submit, and if you want to print a report, you can also print the report. I have only a performance details of the Kratika, then I selected them and mark the option print. So if I mark, then this page is open and you can easily print it. Okay.